I did not know that all life is numerous. I had to my all report to my life. In my life, it's all of men and women, the same as I did. I have been living for 61 years old. Wrong ignorance. Maybe it is. Wrong ignorance. I think that this is not problem of the persons, but problem wrong ignorance. As the wrong ignorance livings, lovings, affections, but that is not normal and just to help growings. Wrong ignorance living is hell livings. I have livings to change, to help, to live correct creation knowledges, but I failed. The result of wrong ignorance, they are all groans. But around of me, hell families, sons, ignorance, wrong ignorance livings attacking me. Daughter, wrong ignorance attacking me. They are groans. I'm getting older, they're getting young. This is the result of wrong ignorance. I'm urgent, exodus from labyrinth. This is a labyrinth. I can go further. I can't retract, go back. As just rights or numerous, I did the best. This is all my responsibilities. I have been work for support of family livings. Cooperate of me also got the jobs. Is money enough? Then is I have been sought as saved livings, but wrongs. Money saved. Wrong ignorance, keep relationships. I support them. From me, I brought. They are wrong ignorance. They did not know me. Never ever treated me as a valuable father or valuable husband. I leaned down to them sorry. I was surprised. There is any answer. So I exit from labyrinth. It is strange. there is any dreams, hope. Just I needed to only exodus from labyrinth. In the labyrinth, there is any happy because wrong ignorance. Around of me, all members, wrong ignorance. Wrong ignorance can be changed to corrections. I choose single livings. This is my failing to 61 years old now. I need to support my economic life so that I launch new jobs, barber shops. It is my own dreams. It is exodus from labyrinth. I have been taught wrong ignorance also. If I make money, then all secure after 61 years old. As I say, truth, I'm getting old. With pensions. If I'm living, then it's safe. But that is wrong ignorance also. I have to strong. Depends from wrong ignorance attack us. Anyhow, this is my wrong ignorance. Yes, I am also wrong ignorance. It's a real question. Why I am attacked from wrong ignorance? My spurious affections, wrong ignorance and spurious affections, so that anyhow my livings require me exodus from labyrinth. Thanks.